The purpose of this guided visualization is to release lower vibrational energetic attachments and connections to specific people, places, events or energies, such as money or power. For this guided visualization, I would like you to be in a relaxed, open, receptive state, and yet fully aware of what is happening around you. So when you're ready, just allow yourself to become comfortable, ideally with both of your feet firmly placed on the ground, and gently close your eyes. Become aware of your body in the space that it's in, and the sounds in the room around you. Allow your focus to rest on your breath and the gentle rise and fall of your chest and your stomach as you breathe in and breathe out. Now allow your awareness to expand beyond your physical form, your thoughts and feelings, and out to the furthest most reaches of your energetic field, to your subtle layers. Allow yourself to become really aware of your energetic body. Now I would like you to bring to mind the person, place, event or energy that you want to detach yourself from, the lower vibrational influences, understanding that you can only detach from things that are no longer serving you or in your highest interest. Create a clear image or impression of this person, place, event or energy in your mind's eye. And when you have established this clear impression of the energy you wish to detach from, move your awareness to your body and your energetic field, and scan your field, your body, your emotional layer, mental layers, and subtle layers for any sensations that you may be aware of. Open yourself to any awareness of this person, place, event or energy within your energetic field. You may physically feel it or be aware of it within your physical body. You may visualize some form of attachment or connection. Just allow yourself to be open to whatever comes into your awareness, being fully aware of any and all sensations. When you have established a real sense of the energy in your field, I would like you to visualize the attachment or attachments between your energy and that person, place, event or energy. Just allow whatever image or object to appear to you. Allow yourself to create an image that you will be able to remove easily from your energy field. It doesn't matter how it looks, just as long as you are able to detach fully from this energetic form. Just allow yourself to create some visual form that you can use to allow yourself to detach this energy from within your energetic field. Once you have created a visual image of the lower vibrational attachments between yourself and the energetic form that you are focusing on, do whatever you need to do to detach these lower vibrational attachments, cords, however they may appear to you, from your auric field, your energetic field. This may involve pulling cords, removing hooks, or peeling away the attachments like Velcro. It doesn't matter how you remove these attachments, just allow yourself to do so. If you are struggling to visualize the attachments, just know that purely setting the intention will be powerful enough to ensure the process is successful. Setting the clear intention that as you are visually removing these attachments, they are being removed from your energetic field within whichever layer or layers they were found. And once detached, set the intention that these attachments, these lower vibrational connections, these cords of energy are returned with love back to the point of origination across all timelines, all dimensions, and all realities. Set the intention and really focus your attention on never allowing these lower vibrational attachments or connections to be re-established. Send that intention out into the field with laser focus, reclaiming your sovereignty through the law of divine will and consent. Whether in your head or out loud, repeat after me. I reclaim my authority. I reclaim my sovereignty. I reclaim all power that I have given away freely to others, or that others have taken from me. Through the universal law of divine will and consent, I command this to be so, and so it is. Now once again visualize the person, place, event or energy that you have detached yourself from all lower vibrational connections in front of you, and allow your heart center to fully open up, visualizing a stream of pure unconditional love flowing from your heart center to theirs in a beautiful figure of 8. Watch as the infinity symbol is drawn with this flow of unconditional love, connecting your heart to theirs, connecting your higher self to their higher self, the highest aspect of being to their highest aspect of being. Just allow that flow of energy to be fully established, replacing any and all attachments and connections with this person, place, event, or energy that you are focused on with the highest and purest vibrational form. Just continue to focus on this flow of energy, until this energy flow between the two of you is able to be maintained without your focused intent. And from this point forth, you are replacing all lower vibrational attachments and connections across all timelines, all realities and all dimensions between you and this energetic form, and replacing them with the highest, purest aspect of self, and with pure, unconditional love. Once again, tuning into your energy field, become aware of the pure divine love and light that surrounds us at all times, and allowing that energy to flow to all parts of your energy field that have become damaged or in any way affected by the lower vibrational attachments and connections that were previously made. Just allow the light to fill any spaces. Feel yourself filling with light on all levels, through all of your layers, until you are completely filled with that pure white light. Just allow the outer layer of your auric field to solidify slightly, becoming a barrier or shield that will only allow the highest vibrational energies to pass through, and that reflects back to origin and source any and all lower vibrational energies that try to enter your field, whether intentionally or unintentionally, and reflect them back with pure love and light. Now allow your awareness to return to your body and the space that you're in. Focus your awareness on the gentle rise and fall of your chest and your stomach as you breathe in and breathe out. Begin to bring movement into your fingers and your toes. And when you are ready, only when you are ready, begin to open your eyes and welcome back.